Guys, there are so many DIYs in the world, but we have some amazing things for you today. At Ready Set Viral, we're here to give you some amazing DIYs that anyone in your family can do, or you can do together. Number one, an amazing way to spend your time. This is an amazingly easy hack that you can do for your kids to have a little bit more fun when they're alone. For this one, get popsicle sticks and put magnets on each side of them. That way, when you fold them together and put them on top of each other, they will be able to move around and you can stick them on a fridge, make shapes, or anything else. Number two, family shirts. For this one, you'll need some transfer paper. Get any stencil that you want. For us, we chose a cat and start coloring it in. Then, once you're done with that, you can actually iron this picture onto any shirt. It's easier if you use a white shirt. Then, the whole family will have shirts from each other. Number three, a DIY bird feeder. For this one, get an empty toilet paper roll and hole punch 4 holes, 2 on either end. Now, spread peanut butter all over the toilet paper roll and then roll it in some birdseed. Once you're done, you can place a chopstick through one row of holes and then a string through the other row of holes and hang it up on a tree for all of the birds to eat from. It's an amazing DIY that everyone can do, and you can watch the birds in your backyard whenever you'd like. Number 4, candle holders. First, get some rocks from your garden or anywhere and bake them in the oven for 15 minutes at 370 degrees Celsius. Once they come out, they will be very hot, but this is crucial for the craft. Get some crayons and draw a little dot of whatever color you choose. Start getting more colors and placing them around the dot to make a sort of tie-dye effect. Once you let all of this dry, you'll have some amazing candle holders. It's a really fun project, don't you think? Number 5, a really funny foot toy. For this one, first outline your foot shape and cut it out onto paper. Do this again with your other foot, and then get a straw and glue it right here on the foot. Then grab a roll of tape and actually glue some sticks on top of them. Then once you put the actual feet with the straws around the sticks and roll the roll of tape, it'll look like it's walking, and it's a hilarious DIY that anyone in the family can do or really can have fun with. Number 6, a DIY toy holder. If you always have trouble stepping on all your kids' toys, or even they have trouble putting them away, all you have to do is get multiple empty toilet paper rolls and a box. Place hot glue on one end of all of the toilet paper rolls and glue them inside the box like so. Once you're done, you'll be able to have a place to put all of your toys. You can put Hot Wheels, toy figures, or anything you'd like, and you will never have an issue of stepping on them any longer. Number 7, a place to hold your phone. This one is actually pretty cool. You can use an empty toilet paper roll. All you have to do is cut along a diagonal after folding it in half and do it like so. Then cut 2 little slits into the top of it, and once you unfold the roll, you'll be able to fold down these 2 pieces like this. Put glue all over the shape that you have just made, and once you're done that, roll it all into some glitter. Then, once you're done and it's all dry, you can place it on your table, and if you have nowhere to place your phone, you can place it like so. Anyways guys, we hope you enjoyed the DIYs that anyone in the family can do. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!